So hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you iMessages and FaceTime struck on verifying mobile number on iPhone and iPad. Lot of iPhone and iPad user reported to FaceTime struck on verifying mobile number on iPhone and iPad after iOS 14.4 update. So guys, how to fix this issue on iPhone and iPad? So guys, in this video I give you some tips and tricks about that, so easy to solve your problem. So guys, please follow the steps. So guys, first solution is force quiet the settings app and reopen it in iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on the iMessages. iMessages open. After again tap on the double tap on the home screens. Then force quiet the settings app and reopen again in iPhone and iPad. And easy to fix your FaceTime struck on verifying mobile in iPhone and iPads. The second solution is turn on and off aeroplane mode in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings in your iPhone. Then first option is you can see aeroplane mode. So please tap on that. Then after 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn off aeroplane mode in your iPhone and iPad. Then easy to fix your problems. The third solution is most important. The solution is reset network settings. So guys, first of all open the settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on the iMessages. In iMessages you can see also turn on. So please turn off the iMessages in your iPhone and iPad settings. Then again come back and again find out the FaceTime. So please in FaceTime again turn off the FaceTime. Then again come back. Then scroll up and you can see also general. So please tap on that and scroll down and select the reset options. In reset you can see also third option is reset network settings. So please enter your passcodes and again tap on the reset network settings. Reset network settings. After again come back, then again open the settings, then scroll down and tap on the iMessages. After again turn off iMessages, so please turn on iMessages in your iPhone. Then again tap on the FaceTimes and again turn on the FaceTimes in your iPhone and iPad. And easy to fix your problems. The fourth solution is check your privacy restriction in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings in your iPhone. In settings, scroll down and tap on the screen time. In screen time you can see also scroll down and contact and privacy restrictions. So please tap on that. Then third option is allow app. So please tap on that. In third option is FaceTime. If you turn on, so please turn off FaceTime and 20 to 30 second wait. Then again turn on FaceTime in your iPhone and iPad, and easy to fix your problems. The fifth solution is most important. The solution is date and time automatically set in your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on general. In general, scroll down and select the date and time. In date and time you can see also second option is set automatically. So if you turn off, so please turn on set automatically in your iPhone and iPad, and easy to fix your problems. The last solution is most important. The solution is simply understand you cannot send international message to Apple with your recharge pack. So please top up balance with 20 Rs to send message, and your phone number will be verified in your iPhone and iPad, and easy to fix your problems. I hope this trick working for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram, and thank you so much.